Hi everyone, thank you so much for the amazing support on my last video. All your likes and the incredible views truly keep me motivated to create more. In today's episode, I will present a simple way to visualize a financial portfolio. Anyone who invests in assets uses applications provided by banks or cryptocurrency exchanges. Buckle up, and let's get started. The idea is to consolidate all our assets from various sources. In my case, these will include cryptocurrencies, euros, tenge, and gold. Since I am from Poland, I will convert everything into my local currency. I will only use free tools without creating additional accounts or generating API keys. We will download currency exchange rates from the Polish National Bank NBP, cryptocurrency rates from the CoinGecko.com portal, and create a wallet card with the ability to input our assets from the dashboard. Step 1. NBP Web API. NBP provides a free API that allows downloading exchange rates from the official tables published by the bank. No registration is required to use this API. You can directly use the available endpoints for integration with external systems. The NBP API provides data in both XML and JSON formats, allowing for flexible integration with various systems. An example of a query for the Swiss franc exchange rate in XML format and converting it to JSON. Changing the currency, if it is in the same exchange rate table, is simple and only requires changing the CHF currency parameter to EUR or USD in the query. Let's return to Home Assistant, where we will use the REST platform, a software architecture based on the HTTP protocol, enabling communication with devices and services through requests and responses in JSON and XML formats. A brief explanation of the code structure. Platform, REST, uses the REST platform to fetch data. Name, USD Exchange Rate, sets the name of the entity. Resource, specifies the NBP API URL to fetch the USD exchange rate. Method, uses the GET method to retrieve the data. Value underscore template, extracts the average USD rate from the JSON response. And the last two, currency unit and refresh interval. After defining all the sensors, you need to restart Home Assistant. The remaining step is to display the results on our financial dashboard. Step 2. Cryptoinfo Advanced. Cryptoinfo Advanced is an integration in Home Assistant that allows tracking detailed cryptocurrency data, such as current exchange rates, value changes, market capitalization, and other statistics. It enables the creation of financial dashboards and real-time monitoring of your cryptocurrency portfolio. The integration is available in the HACS store. The code structure is similar to the previously defined sensors. I'll include an example in the video description. The most challenging part is finding the correct cryptocurrency on the CoinGecko list. Paste the value to use as cryptocurrency underscore name. My wallet, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pox Gold. I have described the tools for fetching exchange rates for currencies, cryptocurrencies, and gold. The rest is just fine-tuning our dashboard. For this purpose, I use two integrations for displaying graphs, Minigraph and Apex chart. I had to rescale the values for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to display them correctly on the graphs. The portfolio is recalculated automatically after exchange rate updates, and everything is defined in the YAML file. Under the video, I have provided links to all the materials and integrations, along with code examples. If you've encountered any issues or need additional help, feel free to leave a comment under the video. I'll do my best to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.